day. Way too breezy, streets cold while making my way. What's up, YouTube? I hope everyone is doing well. I would like to let you know that this video is based on research. As most of you probably know by now, I study all faiths, religions, spirituality, and beliefs. I bring the information to you, and I ask that you use discernment. You decide what feels right in your soul, what resonates with you. From as far back as I can remember, I've always liked to read and study philosophy, religion, spirituality. I've always been interested in those topics. I'm only child. I used to read a lot. I was alone a lot and I read a lot. A lot of information that I gathered in my younger years, I still have to this day. In my garage, I have tons and tons of notebooks of writing. I am a prolific writer. I have poems and stories and adventures in my life and things I've researched and studied and questioned. I've always been a very inquisitive person. I've always asked why. I always went deeper. I've always been different from most. Most of the time, people consider me very weird, and I'm okay with that. I would never tell you that the research that's done in these videos is 100% correct. I try very hard to bring you factual information and correct information, but it is possible that there are errors or information that's dated or incorrect. That's why it's so important that you do your own research. Take what I say at face value and take the time to really figure out for yourself if the information is correct. When I was younger, I was raised as a Christian, but most of my life I was raised as a Muslim. When I became an adult, I chose to be spiritual. So I've been studying religions and faith for a while now, and I've also been participating in different faiths. I've come to realize that the Most High, the universe, the ethos, God, has prepared me for this path, for this journey that I'm on. All the studying and research and questioning has led me to my purpose, which is to share this information with you guys and to express the importance of having unconditional love and respect for each other, regardless of your beliefs. Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to find and love with simple things. I do not pick the topics at random that I share in my videos. I'm being led to share the information, the subjects, and the topics with you. I have ascended masters, prophets, my dreams, synchronicities, and spirit all talking to me, guiding me to share this information with you. I'm guided to speak the facts about religion, but I'm not here to teach you religion. I'll provide you the information, and you decide what resonates in your soul. What do you want to accept, and what do you choose to reject? It's okay. Along with using your intellect to make an informed decision, I'm also asking you to consider the possibilities of opening up your heart to others who have a different faith or belief from your own. I'm very big on unity and inclusion. I do not judge. I do not criticize. I accept people as they are. My job is to offer unconditional support, encouragement, and to inspire you. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you. Are we really sure? Kind of love that lasted for so long. Still in you. Do I really care? Hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere. Oh, in the dark. Looking down the corridors and wonders what might have been. Nothing but the pain. Say, should I keep this separation or go back instead? I can hear your footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. I can hear your footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, you know I still can, I still can. Cloudy day, way too breezy. Streets cold while making my way. Can't tell me now about stress when I'm trying to get paid. Can't tell me now about stress when the clouds bring rain. I don't know what to tell you, baby. Baby, healthy, baby. I'm trying to do my thing, but holding me back. Just trying to do my thing, but holding me back.
Kind of love that lasted for so long. Still in you. Do I really care? Hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere. Oh, in the dark. Oh,